topic for today is about industrial calibration. So before we move on, we are going to flash the objectives. So our objective is, or are the following: explain proper calibration practices, explain the principles of the calibration of temperature, pressure, and mass measured instrumentally, because these are the major parameters, no, in many industries: temperature, pressure, and mass. Then number 3 is recognize the importance of calibration as one of the major requirements of ISO 9000 quality system. So this ISO stands for International Standard Organization, or International Organization for Standardization, and it has many